Adriana, it's taste test time. Look what I got. These are PapaDelicious. They're mushroom. Hey, I know they're healthy based on the ingredients. We have rad, rosemary, and salt. We have trippin' truffle parm, and we have twisted Thai chili. So which one would you like to try first?
Twisted Thai chili.
I knew that. I knew that. I knew it.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. I like that it's a resealable bag. But sometimes you just want.
I opened it wrong.
Oh, okay. That's all right. I am definitely packaging challenged most of the time. Okay. And
in the
it-
shape of a
These
little
are little
mushroom.
mushrooms. Okay. Let's give it a try.
Oh, I put the whole thing in my mouth.
Okay. You know, like when you want the salty, crunchy, spicy, this kind of does the trick.
It's way crunchier than I thought.
I know, I'm glad. I really wasn't wanting it to be like a soft mushroom. I mean, nailed it on the spiciness too, because it's not like killing me, but it's definitely got a kick.
Really good.
All right. Let's go with trippin' truffle parm. Now, I mean, that's got the things I like in it, so. Okay, so.
Yes. Trippin' truffle parm.
Mm. Definitely taste the cheese, yeah. Mm. Got the same crispiness. I'm liking these. All right, we got one more. The green one. This is rad, rosemary, and salt. These are flavors that I really like. So we'll see how this is, because those others are kind of like stronger flavors. Okay, seriously. Yeah.
Oh my god, you opened it wrong.
I can
Little
edit.
technical difficulties.
This is me. Every package, I open things upside down.
You don't pay attention, that's why.
I know. I'm more interested in the food. Okay. All right. Rad, rosemary, and salt. Well, you gotta have salt with the crunchy food. Ooh. All right, this is my favorite one. Which one is your favorite?
That one's actually my favorite too.
So, we like the red rosemary and
Simple, but
salt. Yeah, because it just
very
kind of does
tasty.
the crunchy thing.
Mm-hmm.
But I do like them all. I kind of glad I have a variety pack here, because sometimes you want
I'm
something
just
a little
surprised.
spicy.
This is like probably the more simple flavor. I would have
Yeah, I know, but I like it.
chosen this one first, but this is my favorite.
Yeah, but the rosemary,
Hands down.
hands down. I agree.
Yes.
All right. Well, PapaDelicious for the win.
Yes.